태국의 한 축구장.
ไปแอลถ้ำกันก่อน
ไปฉลองวันเกิดในถ้ำกัน
ว่าแล้ว
เดี๋ยวอ้ายไปตัวฟังไปฟังปิงเนอร์เดี๋ยวไปงานประตัน
그렇게 동굴로 향하는 아이들.
ไปก็เต็ม
ไปใช่
밖에선 엄청난 폭우가 내리고 있습니다.
เหมือนว่าร้อนจะมดจะเข้าไปถ้ำครับ
ทั้งหมดเลยเหรอ
ครับ
เพิ่งฝนตกเนี่ยนะ
아이들의 소식을 들은 부모들
ไอ้จะอั้นเอารถไปห้าบละอ่อนบ่เจ้า
현장에 도착하는데
พอแล้วนะครับรอเขาไปพอละมันไปต่อบ่ได้ตอนนี้น้ำท่วมหมด
주지사 또한 현장에 도착했고 그때 의문의 남자가 다가오는데
ท่านคะฝรั่งคนนี้อาศัยอยู่แถวนี้ค่ะ เขาเป็นผู้เชี่ยวชาญด้านถ้ำนี้ค่ะ
A real squeeze. There's some big chambers too.
Let me show this to my men please
구조대가 파견되고 수색을 시작합니다.
คิวมาแล้วครับ
하지만
ยังหาที่เก่งไม่เจอแล้วครับผู้การ
삼엄한 동굴 구조로
อยู่ๆน้ำก็ทะลักเข้ามา
해군 특수부대 잠수부도 쉽지 않았죠. 철수하는 구조대를 보며 부모들은 절망에 빠집니다. 상황이 심각해지자 장관이 도착하고
ตอนนี้คุณยังไม่เจอตัวพวกเด็กไม่รู้ด้วยซ้ำไปว่าพวกเขาอยู่ที่ไหนหรือเป็นตายร้ายดีอย่างไรอย่างนั้นไปจนกว่าจะจัดการเรื่องนี้ให้เรียบร้อย
순식간에 전 세계로 이 사고가 전해지면서 영국 최고 베테랑 잠수부 릭과 존이 도착하는데
But we will have to walk from here.
초입부터 문제가 생기죠.
They're telling us the cave's closed.
Yeah, well, it's getting bad in there. They're pulling everyone out. Lads, it's just that they don't want foreigners dying in the caves. It's not a good look.
We won't die. I have zero interest in dying.
위험을 감수하고 곧바로 잠수를 시작하는 이들. 순조롭게 흘러가는 것처럼 보이는데 그때 동굴이 무너지고
That's it, we better head back.
릭과 존은 재정비하기로 결정합니다. 하지만 동굴에 있던 다른 구조대들이
I fixed bomb but water come fast
위험한 상황에 놓이게 되고 이미 패닉 상태인 그를 챙긴 뒤 탈출을 시도하죠. 상황은 일단락됩니다. 이제 존과 같이 나가기만 하면 되죠.
Not in a good way. Did he make it out okay?
이들도 서둘러 나갑니다. 입구에서 그들을 기다리고 있는 사람들. 하지만
We went as far as we could. Didn't find the boys.
How far did you get?
T-junction.
จุดสามแยกก็คือจุดเดียวกันกับที่หน่วยของเราได้เคยเข้ากันแล้วครับ
현실은 냉정했죠.
ว่ามีเด็กคนใดได้รับบาด
We need the rain to stop let the pumps do the work and then we go in
부대원 안전이 먼저인 군인 장교와 의견이 다른 이들.
Yeah, no offence, but you're trained to dive in open water, not confined spaces. Rick and I have been diving in caves just like this for 30 years now.
I'm responsible for my men as for anyone else that's for the governor to decide
No one will go in for now. We wait for the rain to stop.
릭과 존은 그들의 방식이 마음에 안 들었죠. 한편 주민들과 봉사자들은 한창 펌프로 물을 빼고 있는데
เราไม่เคยเจอมาก่อนใช่ไหมครับ
I'm a water guide ก็เลยไปหาอาสาสมัครในพื้นที่มาช่วยงานตอนนี้น้ำมันมาจากหลายทางมากมันไหลลงถ้ำพัดรอยแตกในชั้นหินทำให้คลื่นข้างในมันแรงไม่ครับคุณสูบไปก็เปล่าประโยชน์อยู่ดีครับถ้ำอยู่ที่ต่ำน้ำจากที่สูงก็จะไหลลงมาแบบไม่หยุด
แล้วคุณทำให้มันหยุดได้ไหมครับ
แต่มันมีสิ่งที่ต้องแลก
ตอนนี้เขาต้องหาทางปลาน้ำคือมันลงไปตังคางน้ำมันจะมาลงไปในถ้ำแต่มันจะลงไปในน้ำหมูตูแตน
แล้วมันจะจ่วยละอ่อนได้ก็เจ้า
แต่ว่ามันเป็นการเพิ่มโอกาสรอดให้กับเด็ก
เอาเลยเจ้าเปิดละอ่อน
다음날 아침 동굴 안에는
Video if you get past T-junction
Take care.
웬일인지 주지사가 걱정해주고 릭과 존은 아이들을 찾으러 잠수를 시작합니다. 릭은 만일의 사고를 대비해 유도줄을 재정비하고 존은 기록을 남깁니다. 동굴 안에는 메아리만 맴돌고 그들은 조금만 더 가보기로 하죠. 다음 구역으로 넘어온 릭과 존.
Nearly out line.
재정비를 위해 복귀해야 하지만 조금 더 탐색해보기로 합니다. 그 순간 동굴 안쪽에서 수상한 불빛이 보이고
How many?
Have they done?
How many of you?
13
They're all alive.
13! Brilliant!
Can we go out now
하지만
No, not today. No, there are just two of us. We must dive.
지금 장비로는 아이들을 구조하기 어려웠고 릭은 동굴 안쪽을 살펴보죠. 그동안 아이들도 나가기 위해 노력하고 있었고
Good work.
We hear a sound in a cave
It's just water it's just a cave I hear it too it's just
We should get back.
아이들을 두고 소식을 알리러 가죠.
We found the boys. They're alive.
Careful who sees that.
ลุงมาหาเด็กเจอจริงนะเว้ย
How many of you?
Oh, shit. Everybody knows.
That didn't take long.
릭과 번은 영웅으로 단숨에 등극되지만
Let's go. Straight to the van.
The news guys can be a pain in the butt. You just gotta handle them right.
What do you want me to tell them? We found the boys, now let's all watch them die. Water pumping, flooding fields, praying to shrines. It's bullshit.
The Thai SEALs are going in tomorrow.
These boys are never coming out. Never.
우려했던 대로 당국에서는 아이들이 온전히 살아 돌아올 거라고 생각하고 있었고, 그러는 동안 아이들은 점점 지쳐가며 공포에 떨고 있었죠. 릭과 존은 아이들을 위해 그들과 협동하기로 하죠.
You made it here. A long rock shelf to get to Pattaya Beach. Then comes a tough dive. So you must always keep to the wider side of the line or you'll get trapped. At the end of that, you'll reach the boys.
And it's a very physical dive. Try and save 2/3 of your air going in so you can make it back.
We'll get there. We reach the boys today.
시끄러운 소리와 함께 그들이 도착합니다.
เด็กภาคเหนือแบงหนังเดียวเว้ยมีอาหารทานไฟฉายอยู่
아이들은 굶주림에서 해방되지만 문제는 그뿐만이 아니었죠. 이 사실을 아이들이 모르게
เราใช้ถังออกซิเจนมากกว่าที่เราเตรียมไว้เอาไปซะแล้วกลับไปที่ฐาน
한편 릭과 존은
Somebody's gonna have to come up with something.
깊은 고민에 빠지게 되고
So tell me, we're crazy's better than nothing. We've got nothing.
We call Harry.
그들은 헬이라는 의문의 인물을 부르기로 합니다. 동굴안은 아이들 식량 배급을 위해 분주하고
Chris, let me show you. You are carrying 1 meal a day for 1 week for everyone in the camp.
All right, okay.
헬이라는 남자가 도착하는데
Hey, Harry, glad you made it.
그는 의사이자 베테랑 잠수부였죠. 그리고 그들이 자신을 부른 이유를 알게 되는데
Who else answered the call? Who else you got here?
Oh, there's divers coming in from all over the place. We've got Jason Mallinson with us and Chris Jewell.
The awesome foursome.
You've got a skill none of the rest of us have, Harry.
What's that?
He's talking about your area of expertise.
I'm an anaesthetist.
Right.
이 말은 즉 아이들이 잠수하는 동안 마취를 시키려 한 것이었죠.
No.
같은 시간 동굴 안에서는 아이들을 위한 식량 배급을 하고 있습니다. 그 순간 사고가 나고 마는데 동료는 이미 앞서 나가 있었고 혼자 해결해야 했지만 어두운 동굴 속이기에 쉽지 않았죠. 해결은 했지만 이미 많은 양의 산소를 허비하고 말았고 결국 잠이 들고 맙니다. 한편 밖에선
1, 2, or 3. If we're lucky, those kids might just make it through. You're talking about a 5-hour dive. Even if the masks hold, there's a very good chance they're going to choke, all right? The whole thing is insane. I don't even know why I'm saying it.
Harry, if they die while we bring them out, at least we'll have tried.
이보다 좋은 방안은 없었죠.
Sedated. How sedated?
Fully unconscious. But we're talking about administering anesthetics under conditions where we just can't monitor the effects.
So you are expecting casualties?
I expect casualties.
태국 당국 또한
พวกคุณเริ่มลงมือจัดการได้
그들과 같은 생각이었죠.
Captain.
다음 날 아침
It's the TV guys, the news guys. They're all being sent away.
So they don't see the bodies come out.
Into the thigh muscle here or here. Each dose should last about 30 minutes. Keep a little bit of sea space on the needle there. Push in and out.
이젠 실전만 남은 상황.
I stop here. When the first boy gets through the long dive, I swim to you and report.
They're packages. Or just the delivery guys.
Okay, lads. Let's do it.
그렇게 아이들이 있는 곳으로 이동하고
We're going to start diving the boys out. You can take 4.
Mate, I can see one.
아이들은 마냥 기쁘기만 했죠.
You need to know what we're proposing here.
모두의 관심 속에 첫 번째 아이를 준비시킵니다. 하지만
No way. No way. It's not going to fail.
We'll get you a better mask.
ต้องหาหน้ากากให้ใช้ใหม่นะครับเดชาไปก่อนละกัน
좀 더 큰 아이를 준비시키고
Ready to go.
첫 아이인 만큼 긴장감이 흐르는데
And you're a very brave boy. You're number 1. And you're lucky because you get Jason, number 1 diver in all the world.
해리는 아이가 겁먹지 않도록 계속해서 말을 걸어줍니다.
You would have seen one of these before. That was a shock, wasn't it? Brazil, huh? Guess who knocked them out? Belgium.
아이는 서서히 잠에 들고
Tough guy, huh?
Right, check for breathing.
마지막까지 신중하게 체크하죠.
Looks good.
드디어 첫 번째 아이가 출발하고 순조롭게 첫 번째 구간까지 도착합니다.
He's been breathing just fine.
Fucking brilliant.
You didn't think it would work.
릭은 이 상황이 믿기지 않았죠.
Good luck. I know it's been pretty exciting for you in here, but guess what? Bit of excitement in the World Cup. Belgium knocked out.
말을 너무 많이 한 나머지
Harry, took him to shore. Shit. We were supposed to wait till we heard Jason made it out. Okay.
Yeah, I've done the atropine. I'm gonna have to keep going.
No panic. Yeah, carry on. We gotta get on with it. Don't wanna risk my boy waking up.
존 덕분에 해리는 다시 정신줄을 잡고
It's working.
아이가 깨기 전에 투약을 하려는데 마취제를 놓치고 말죠. 다행히 아이가 완전히 깨진 않았습니다. 한편 동굴 안쪽에서는 세 번째 아이를 준비시키고 있었고
Yeah, it's good. Good luck, Chris.
같은 시각 두 번째 아이는
Jason, okay? Jason's through. Boys good? Right, let's bring him over.
하지만 아이에게 문제가 생겼고
Every time I put him under the water, he stops. Mask on.
아이가 충분히 자가 호흡할 수 있게 기다려주죠.
Yeah, bring him over. Okay, gentle. Thanks, boys.
드디어 첫 번째 아이가 성공적으로 구조됩니다. 비밀 작전이기에 모든 아이들이 나오기 전까진 부모들은 어느 아이가 나왔는지 알지 못하죠.
What happened?
It was 4 out of 4, doctor.
For what?
All the boys are fine. Great job.
그렇게 구출 작전 첫 번째 날 4명의 아이들을 모두 구출하게 됩니다.
No need to be scared, Whit. You know why? Because you have the best diver. Ready? Look up.
ขณะนี้ได้ข่าวว่ามีเด็กชาย 5 คนเนื่องจากมีรายงานสภาพอากาศเข้ามาล่าสุด
일기예보는 정확했고 그날 저녁
Think it'll fit?
Yeah, that'll do it. It is smaller.
Have a seat, Baz.
Thank you.
Rick and I have been in there when it's fully flooded. It's a beast.
Come on. We're not stopping now.
You die in a cave if you want to, Jason. But I'm not sure coming out. I'm not going in.
다시 폭우로 인해 수위가 높아졌습니다.
Everyone leaves today. We do this as fast as we can.
All right. No, see? That's open. It's not going to seal.
It's buckling. Let's dive the others out, then we'll get him sorted. Yeah?
Okay, I got this. It's pink. I like it.
Who have we got here?
This is Prem.
Prem, come on down, Prem. Get you out of here.
เอาออกเรื่องเปิดงด
Right. Off you go.
드디어 자기 차례가 오자 기뻐하죠.
Good. One more to go. Your choice. Up or down? Up. There you go. That's pretty painless.
It's the best we can do. If I pull it too tight, it'll collapse the seal.
It's still a little loose.
We don't have time. The water's rising. If he doesn't come out now, he doesn't come out. I'll be going slow. So give me some space before you follow.
Now heavier than the boys.
코치도 출발하고 한편 한 아이와 이동 중인 크리스. 그 순간 폭우로 인해 물살이 강해졌고 한편 제이슨은 복귀에 성공합니다.
Okay, Jason. I got him.
어딘지 모르는 곳에서 절망이 빠져있던 그의 앞에 해리가 등장하죠.
I lost the line. Is his boy okay? I think so. You should, might want to check him.
You want me to maybe take over from here?
No. I should do it.
I reckon you've done the hardest part. Why don't I do the last bit? And that way I can say that I was a rescuer too. Yeah?
Yeah, okay.
해리 덕분에 크리스는 불안함을 떨쳐내고
Come on, Chris. Come on.
Is the boy good? No, it's fine. How about Chris? He's right behind me.
하지만 동료들은 마냥 기다릴 순 없었죠.
Hey!
gonna get the cylinders. I'll go back for them.
He'll be here.
크리스가 안 나오자 점점 초조해지던 그때
Nice one, Chris!
드디어 영국 잠수부들이 다 나오게 됩니다. 하지만 아직 잠수 중인 사람들이 있었는데 순식간에 동굴안은 아수라장이 되고 더 이상 동굴안은 안전하지 않았죠. 그 순간 삭막한 동굴 안에서 도움을 요청하는 소리는 더 이상 들리지 않았습니다.
You all have come from all over, from the nearby town, others from different countries around the world. You have given your time, your expertise, even the rice crops. And you ask for nothing in return. But I know that you all did this for one reason, the love for the boys.
누군가를 구하다 죽은 구조원과 가족을 다시 볼 수 있는 아이들. 그렇게 영화는 끝이 납니다. 영화 13 Lives는 아마존 프라임에서 시청 가능하십니다. 결말 포함 영상만 올릴 예정이니 구독 한 번만 부탁드립니다.